Welcome. Take a moment to settle in. Find a comfortable position, either sitting upright with your spine tall, or lying down with your body fully supported. And gently close your eyes now. And now, bring your attention to your breath. And without changing anything, just notice the gentle rhythm. The rise and fall of your chest, the way the air feels as it passes through your nose. And for the next few breaths, do nothing but observe. And slowly deepen your inhale, filling your belly first, and then your chest, and finally the very top of your lungs. Pause gently at the top, and now exhale in a long, slow, steady stream, letting the air escape fully. And so again, inhale slowly and deeply, filling every part of your lungs. Pause for a moment, and exhale soft and steady, releasing every bit of tension. And with each inhale, invite a sense of calm. And with each exhale, let go of anything you don't need. So breathe in calm, and breathe out and release. In calm, and out release. And now, notice the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body being held, fully supported, so you don't need to hold yourself up. And with each breath, allow yourself to sink a little deeper, a little heavier, heavier and heavier into support. And now imagine from the soles of your feet, gentle roots begin to grow. And they extend downward, passing through the floor and through the layers of the earth, reaching deeper and deeper into the ground. And with every inhale, feel energy rising up through those roots, nourishing you and strengthening you. And with every exhale, send any heaviness, any stress down through the roots into the earth, where it's absorbed and transformed. And now, bring your awareness slowly up through your body. Start with your feet. Notice them and then relax them. Let them feel warm and heavy and at ease. And then move your attention to your calves. Release any tightness there. And your thighs are softening. Your hips are loosening. So breathe into this space and feel your lower body resting more deeply. And now move to your belly and your lower back. And with each breath, let your belly soften, rising gently on the inhale and falling on the exhale. Your chest expands and contracts, but with ease and without effort. And now bring your awareness to your shoulders. Just let them drop, releasing the weight of the day. Feel that release as though a heavy burden has been set down. And now for your arms. Let them feel loose and heavy and relaxed. Your hands soften. And your fingers are unclenched. So bring awareness to your neck now. And release the tension there. Soften your jaw and unclench your teeth. Relax the tiny muscles around your eyes, allowing them to close and rest. Now, imagine a gold, warm light surrounding your body. This is a soft, pale, and gentle light. And with every inhale, the light grows brighter, filling you with peace. And with every exhale, it expands outward, surrounding you in a cocoon of calm. And if thoughts drift in, well, that's perfectly natural. Imagine placing each thought on a cloud and watching it drift across the sky of your mind. There's no need to chase it, and no need to push it away. Just return to the breath, breathing in calm, and breathing out release. You are safe, and you are grounded, and you are present. So rest here in the stillness for a few breaths. Feel your body heavy, yet very light, rooted, yet very free, silent yet alive with peace. And now, slowly bring your awareness back to the space around you. Feel the ground beneath you again. And notice the room, the air on your skin, the sounds in the distance. And take one last slow, deep inhale. Pause at the top and exhale fully. And when you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take your time, and when it feels right, just open your eyes. And know that this grounded presence is always within you, and you can return here anytime with just one breath. Namaste.